How do 1099 forms affect your Form 1040? Have you ever wondered how those 1099 forms you receive impact your tax return? Let's break it down in a simple way. When you file your Form 1040, which is your main federal income tax return, you need to include all the income reported on your 1099 forms. This is important because the Internal Revenue Service receives copies of these forms from the payers. If you don't report this income, you might face issues like audits or notices from the Internal Revenue Service, and you could owe more taxes or penalties. So what exactly are these 1099 forms? There are several types. For instance, the 1099 non-employee compensation form is for freelance or contract work. The 1099 miscellaneous form covers things like rents or royalties. Then there's the 1099-G, which reports government payments such as tax refunds. Each type of income must be reported on specific lines or schedules attached to your Form 1040. Now, let's talk about schedules. Some income from 1099 forms requires you to fill out additional schedules when you file your Form 1040. For example, if you are self-employed and receive a 1099 non-employee compensation form, you will need to complete Schedule C to report your business income and expenses. If you have investment income reported on a 1099 interest or 1099 dividend form, you may need to fill out Schedule B. Another important aspect is self-employment tax. If you receive income reported on a 1099 non-employee compensation form, this income is subject to self-employment tax. This tax covers Social Security and Medicare taxes for independent workers. You will calculate this tax on Schedule Self-Employment and add it to your total tax liability on Form 1040. Keeping good records is essential. It is wise to maintain your own records of income and expenses related to your 1099 income. Sometimes payers can make mistakes on these forms, and having your own documentation can help you correct any errors with the Internal Revenue Service. For many Asian American taxpayers, working in freelance or contract roles is common. Understanding how to accurately report this income on Form 1040 can help avoid costly mistakes. Seeking assistance from tax professionals who understand the unique financial situations and potential language barriers in the Asian American community can ensure you comply with tax regulations and optimize your tax outcomes. In summary, 1099 forms report income you earned outside of traditional employment. This income must be included on your Form 1040 tax return, often requiring additional schedules and potentially leading to self-employment tax. Proper reporting helps avoid issues with the Internal Revenue Service and ensures you pay the correct amount of tax.